These are brown butter mashed potatoes. They're super fluffy, creamy, and made with roasted garlic too. Best mashed potatoes ever. Let's make it. I like to roast the garlic first. Grab a sharp knife, slice one head of garlic in half, drizzle a tablespoon of olive oil over the exposed garlic cloves, season with salt and cover with aluminum foil. Bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes. It should be nice and soft like this. Wash, peel, and chop about 3 pounds of russet potatoes. Cover with cold water and season generously with kosher salt. Cook them for about 20 minutes or until fork tender. Melt 1 stick of salted butter in a saucepan. Cook over medium heat and stir frequently until it's an amber color. Take it off the heat and set it aside. I love to use a potato ricer, but you can use an electric mixer or a potato masher to mash the potatoes. Stir in the roasted garlic, the brown butter. Leave about 2 tablespoons of the butter for the top. Some warm, heavy cream. I heated the heavy cream for about 5 minutes over medium heat. I like them nice and creamy, so I used almost 2 cups of heavy cream, but feel free to use more if you like them super creamy or less if you like them chunkier. I didn't add any cheese or sour cream, but you may do so. Garnish with the leftover brown butter and fresh chives and enjoy it.